What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the Blend On. Today I'm going to the SB19 Damn the Making Environment. Let's get started.
Ready ka na ba sa simula at wakas?
Subtitle.
Technically, hindi pa siya masyado ginagawa dito sa
Oh!
Pinas.
This is parang super big.
Nakita ko sila how their brains work, how they create an idea. We really want to send a message to all of the listeners. It's definitely much bigger.
Be red.
Be ready, Ange. This is parang super big. Kumapit ako. Gano'n kalaki siya gano'n. Kaya sabi ko, kaya ba? Kasi this is the first time na gumawa ako ng ganito kalaking set. As in, parang hindi ko rin inaasahan na kaya ko pala. So, yun.
This time, yung set and props namin, mostly ginawa talaga siya from scratch. Yung concept ng dub kasi is, ang hirap maghanap ng naturally gano'n na siya. Usually sa music videos namin, pupunta talaga kami sa mga lugar kung saan makukuha namin yung hinahanap namin na vibe or yung dating talaga ng lugar. Punta kami ng kuweba, lumang mga bahay.
Nung pumunta kami dito para mag-ocular nung space ng studio, grabe, parang nalula talaga ako dun sa laki nung Roma.
So around late November, minessage ako ni Ate IC. Sabi niya, Nico, ready ka na ba sa simula at wakas? So wala pang 1 minute na guess na ako. Tapos after that, dire-diretso na yung brainstorming meetings namin to get ready for preparing to pitch para sa music video. You want it like windy, like foggy windy? Doon talaga yung nasa isip ko. Yeah, okay.
Ay, sino mag-copy? Lagay ko pa na isa pang scaffold, tapos lalaglag.
Yeah.
Yung dito, yung parang may lightning
I wonder how many people
It's in homework side.
Tapos may ground it
in this project.
No, sudden.
I think
Tingnan nga natin.
prisoner.
Dude, that's so dramatic. I don't know why, but
Let's go.
fun fact, I used that song when I was at the gym, guys. Doing some treadmill.
Lahat ng
I don't know,
tao
it
na nakapaligid sa'yo na
boosting my
parang
energy.
doon pa lang sa creative deck. Grabe nung sinend sa akin yung ni IC na sabi ko, IC, nung binabasa ko siya, nagtetel ng story. Tapos parang kinikilabutan ako kasi sabi ko, shucks, ano to? Parang pagkalabasa mo yung ganong parang brave, gusto ko siya ma-experience. Tapos gusto ko makita kung kaya talaga na magawa natin.
I-N. 18.
ATIM to?
Oh, so A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K. Yan. Alphabet.
So for this project, mas naging close ko kasi yung 5 due to meeting halos every day with them. I worked kasi with them for the past few years na rin, pero hindi ganito ka dikit sa opinions nila, di ba? Na minsan kasi I'll work with them pero yung ideas naka-hash out na for me na ready to go, ready to execute na lang. Pero first time kasi ito sa Dam na from the start, from the birth pa lang ng idea, involved na kaming lahat all together. Lahat ng ideas tinatapon lang during the meeting. Minsan sobrang tagal na ng meeting pero bagong ideas pa rin ang bago. Tapos minsan kapag tapos na yung meeting, palabas na lalapit si Ken. Oh, Nico, actually, maganda din to.
In terms of music video, yung production nito ngayon, it's definitely much bigger.
Ganun din sila ka-excited, which is very motivational for us,
Yeah.
I'm sure. Nakita ko sila how their brains
Yeah.
work, how they create ideas.
Bakit ba nagkagato ang daming tukso? Di kailangan mo, dito lang ako. Kasalanan ng lahat ng to, lang kumpay. sa paggusto.
Sobrang ganda kasi ng ideas na binabato ng lahat ng kasama sa prod. So, ayokong i-limit sila sa hindi kaya. So for this music video, I forced myself din na mag-aral ng bagong software na mas advanced, mas kaya ng kailangan. Sobrang laki ng risk na tinitake namin.
Hey. Wow! Look at that! Before and after.
So at first, from the idea to sketch, to
That's what I've
asking,
been
to
waiting
meeting,
for.
to meet halfway, kung paano ba siya, kung paano siya idudugtog, kung tama pa ba yung height, kung gaano kalaki. So for me, nung una nag-sketch ako, and then we asked kung hanggang saan yung limit.
Kasi sobrang tagal kasi nung back and forth namin ni Ange specifically. Tapos sobrang, parang ang daming restrictions. So parang nag-resort kami to 10 steps.
10 steps.
Which means na maglaland yung problem sa akin na magiging mas marami.
Mas marami yung
What?
extend.
I really want to know.
Sa final output, paano siya magmumukhang
Can somebody please tell me why this? Why? What? 10, right?
Extend.
which means na
Yeah, 10 step, which mean that. And the
maglaland
auto translation is
yung problem sa akin
Go on.
na magiging mas
Extend.
marami.
Mas
Extend.
extend.
So,
I really want to
sa
know.
final output, paano siya
reason.
magmumukhang never-ending.
Why it
So,
has
hindi
10
lang sa
step.
taas ko i-extend, pati sa baba, underneath the floor,
Yeah,
ko
yeah.
i-extend.
So parang in between.
Origins.
Yeah.
Nasa gitna yung build ni Ate Ange. Tapos we decided, kapag kailangan ni Ken maglakad ng matagal,
Ulit.
pag lapit na niya sa 10th step, bababa na lang ulit siya, tapos maglalakad na lang ulit.
So this one is the real, the upper and wow, that's so cool. I really, really amazed with the people, with someone that really, really master, edit some video. I wish I had that talent. That's so cool.
What happened then before that was, di ba kailangan natin in a way end
It looks-
officially yung pagtatag era.
Real.
So, in-incorporate natin yung concept of yung sa concert yung pagtatag 3. Lalagay natin yung story niya sa MV para lang may period na talaga yung story na yun. Diba? Kasi yung ginawa kong visuals sa pagtatag finale concert was the tree.
Yeah, the golden.
And naisip natin na pwede din siyang visuals for Dam para lang
Tahe.
matahe from what pa lang eh. 'Di ba yung pagtanim ng puno sa pagtatag nag-bloom. Tapos dito sa simula at wakas, yung kwento ng talagang wakas. Yung ending ng story is
Yung
That's so cool.
bearing of
That's
fruit.
so cool.
na
So,
apple.
medyo nag-brainstorm tayo ng matagal doon. Para mabuo yung kwento from the start. Ange and Nico, magic yun. Kung paano from practical tree,
So,
CGI tree, na mukhang totoo and mukhang magical, mukhang touching, mukhang,
yes.
mukhang SB19 po.
Na connected pa rin doon sa pagtatag na 3.
Wow.
Flip mo na yung page yan.
Happy birthday.
Ito yung frame talaga. So, hindi kita yung mga nasa views pag gumaling.
For me, ako nga, sabi ko palagi, kahit sobrang hirap yan, gagawin ko yan. Gagawin ko talaga yung 100% best. Alam yan ng everyone. Parang kailangan kong patunayan na kaya ko. So,
Yeah.
eto na yon na parang sabi ko, sana nga, sana nagustuhan nila. And then sana nagustuhan siya ng SB19 and sana magugustuhan siya ng 18.
Kahit na matagal ko na akong ka-work yung boys and other than that, matagal na akong VFX artist, parang palagi akong may kailangan pang patunayan or iaangat ko pa yung last na ginawa ko. Kaya hindi ko talaga gustong sayangin yung opportunities na ganito, na something as grand as this. Kaya talagang in all out, 120% talaga ako dito. Sana talaga napatunayan namin yung kaya namin. Kasi as early as now, sobrang proud na talaga kami sa ginawa namin.
Sana po nagustuhan niyo yung music video ng Dam and the song itself. Kasi pinag-effortan namin
We
yun. And
love
we
the
really
MV.
want to send a message to all of the listeners and we want to inspire people. So sana po ay masuportahan nyo, pakinggan nyo, and ma-inspire kayo sa ginawa namin kanta at music video.
Wow. Copyright? Oh, that's oh. Wow. Wow, that was sad. Oh, that. Wow. Love this environment. Damn, the making environment. Wow. The process, the editing. Wow. It takes a lot of effort, a lot of time. Wow. They even learn new things for this project, guys. Like try new app, right? New software. Wow. Okay. This is the end of my reaction. Bye bye.